Greetings. This is Professor Harishandra Higginsbottom transmitting from the archives of the WAPE. Year 9595, across the space-time synchrony, where all moments coexist. I speak to you from your future, and of my past. We have studied the age you now inhabit, the turning point of the Earth. What follows is a recovered record, one of many chronicles that speak of the world as it was, and what it might still become. In the dark archives of the chronicles of the future foretold, one entry still startles the mind. The miracle of how new life was born from the ghosts of the past. Refugees of the great melt, scientists, tradespeople, artists and artisans fled the devastation of the downblow wrought by the Monstrato Corporation. They came on the Ark. They found sanctuary in the risen land of the way up, a continent thrust skyward from the oceans as the glaciers melted high above the wastelands below. They had brought with them the DNA collected from gene banks of the downblow, and they recovered frozen spores of ancient species from the melting ice of the Antarctic, ghosts of forgotten life. After centuries of toil, the settlers reseeded the risen continent with life. They terraformed a new garden, breeding new hope. They raised dead species from extinction to live, breathe and walk again. And from the deep freeze they came, memories of the past, the mammoths, the saber-toothed lions, the unihorns, and many others thought to be gone forever, but now bred anew to thrive in spite of the Monstrato corporate lords. History calls it a miracle, but Monstrato policies deemed it an unlicensed bio-event, inimical to corporate revenues and profitable only in its suppression, and what they had destroyed once, they tried to erase again. This is the world Ròna has inherited, and which she has sworn to protect, as sister of the mother, as guardian of the forest. Discover the history of one brave girl's struggle to save the last refuge of life on a dying planet in The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn.